Hey there, Natural Home Remedy family. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best solutions for a healthier and happier life. And today's topic is one that many of us can relate to: quick and natural home remedies for gas relief. Gas, bloating and abdominal discomfort, we all suffer from it sometimes. But you don't need to put up with it. In this video, I'm going to share my go-to home remedies that provide quick relief when gas strikes. Ginger is one of the best natural remedies for expelling gas from your system fast. It contains compounds called gingerols that help relax the intestines and let gas pass easily. Try sipping on some fresh ginger tea when gas hits. Simply steep sliced ginger root or half a teaspoon of ginger powder in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. The relief will begin within 30 minutes in most cases. Peppermint contains menthol, a natural muscle relaxant that allows painful gas bubbles to pass. Drink organic peppermint tea or take enteric-coated peppermint capsules. The soothing minty flavor also seems to calm stomach distress. Plus, it reduces inflammation in the intestines that contributes to gas. Another simple solution is going for a 10 to 15 minute brisk walk. Any type of light exercise can stimulate peristalsis, waves of muscle contractions that move food and gas along the intestines. The physical movement combined with deeper breathing also allows gas to shift and pass out of the body faster. Certain yoga poses are also beneficial for releasing gas, such as child's pose, knee to chest pose, and wind relieving pose. Try holding them for 1 to 2 minutes as gas cramps start to be noticeable. These stretches gently stimulate the abdominal organs. Fennel, cumin, oregano and thyme are herbs chock full of compounds that relax stomach and intestinal muscles for faster gas relief. Try sipping on fennel tea or adding these gas-busting herbs to meals to prevent symptoms. If you regularly have issues with gas and bloating, see your doctor to rule out any underlying condition. But when occasional symptoms flare up, these evidence-based home remedies can provide quick relief. Give them a try next time gas has you down.